Before we start coding, let's ask, what is a MERN stack? At first, I would like to define what is a technology stack in general. The technology stack is a set of frameworks and tools used to develop a software product. This set of frameworks and tools are very specifically chosen to work together in creating a well-functioning software. You can see here list of examples of widely used web development technologies in use today. For example, MERN, this is what will be our course about, which is MongoDB for database, Express.js for a backend, React.js or native as we will see in our course, and also a Node.js. Another technology stack is LAMP, which is Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP. MERN is another technology stack for web development, which is called for MongoDB, Express, Angular or AngularJS and Node.js. Okay, let's dive more about MERN stack. MERN stack is what we are going to do in this course. We will use in this course the following technologies. First, MongoDB, which is a document-oriented NoSQL database used to store the application data. And then we will use Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment, and it's used to run JavaScript on a machine rather than in the browser. So it can be served as a server or a backend server. And Express.js is a framework layered on the top of Node.js and used to build the backend of a site using Node.js functions and structures. Then we come to the most important part, which is React or React.js. The React.js or React Native is a library created by Facebook, and it's used to build UI components that create the user interface of a single-page web application or a mobile application. React.js is important for creating single web page applications, and React Native is an amazing tool to build mobile applications. The goal of this course that if I go to a course for MongoDB and a course for Node.js and a course for React, then I will learn only theoretical part and I will not know how to combine all of these technologies together in a real-world example. So we come with this idea about creating an eShop which uses all of these technologies, and we will see how to connect all of them together and make the best application with the best performance and best security.